We first heat and remove the damaged solder pad, then proceed with the replacement process. Cut a new solder pad to the appropriate size, ensuring it matches the original pad and is suitable for the current LED module. Use a multimeter to measure the conductivity of the new solder pad, ensuring there are no short circuits or disconnections and that the pad is correctly positioned for the next soldering step. Next, we will secure and solder the pad to fully restore the LED module. Stay tuned for the next steps.